2023 Nissan Ariya Press Kit. The all-new 2023 Nissan Ariya, Nissan's first ever crossover SUV, provides strong acceleration and smooth, excellent performance. With an expected range of up to 300 miles for the Venture Plus model, Ariya is an ideal companion for everyday road trips. To know everything, keep watching. But before that, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dig in. Ariya is a cornerstone of Nissan's worldwide transformation strategy and the first production model to symbolize the firm's electrified brand identity, clearing the way for a new automotive age defined by electrification, improved platform packaging, and seamless vehicle technology. Its sophisticated driving assistance technologies, concierge-like support, and seamless connection boost on-road confidence while creating an optimal experience for the driver and passengers. The all-new Ariya also relies on Nissan's history as an EV pioneer and inventor, beginning with the revolutionary Nissan Leaf, which has sold more than 550,000 vehicles worldwide since its launch more than a decade ago. Each Nissan Ariya model comes standard with an innovative liquid-cooled 87 kWh lithium battery, a CCS rapid charge outlet, optional Pro Pilot Assist 2.03, cordless Apple CarPlay, wired Android Auto, a lounge-like luxury interior, and Nissan Safety Shield 360. Later, more versions, including those with a 63 kWh lithium-ion battery, will be released later. Nissan's ultimate statement of elegance and technology, with one complementing another in looks and function, is the 2023 Ariya. Its all-electric vehicle architecture removes basic restrictions, allowing designers to adopt fresh approaches to familiar components. The style of the Ariya reflects a fundamental shift in Nissan's design philosophy. This new concept is founded on what Nissan refers to as timeless Japanese futurism, which is distinguished by a distinctly Japanese approach expressed in a simple yet powerfully contemporary way. Designers embrace this by using the core themes of sleek, stylish, and seamless to explain how an EV, combined with improved driving skills, can provide a fresh outlook on design, function, and the owning experience. The front of the car seems smooth, sleek, and new, embracing the Japanese term iki, which symbolizes Ariya's trendy, cutting-edge nature. It's distinguished by a shield, which serves as a reinvented grille for the EV age. The shield has a 3D, traditional Japanese kumiko design just beneath the smooth surface, safeguarding sensors required for driver assistance features without interfering with functioning. The new Nissan brand logo is prominently displayed in the middle of the aerodynamic shield, blazing with a fine definition of the 20 LEDs that comprise it. When the Ariya is operational, the lower half of the shield is framed by modest illumination that lights along with the logo. Nissan's trademark V-Motion design is updated with slim LED headlights comprised of four 20mm mini projectors. A single continuous horizon line sweeps across the side profile, connecting the front fascia and the rear fascia and projecting linear movement, producing architectural beauty and drama and excitement from each angle. The back of the Ariya is similarly impressive, with a sharply slanted C-pillar that flows seamlessly into the rear deck. The one-piece light blade, which represents the rear combination lights, has been designed to provide a blackout effect while parked and a steady red illumination when in operation day or night. Rear fender flares and a high-mounted rear wing indicate Ariya's incredible EV capabilities. Ariya's all-new EV platform has been designed to handle superbly, staying true to Nissan's legacy of delivering fun-to-drive, thrilling vehicles. The battery pack is located beneath the vehicle's center of gravity, ensuring a low center of gravity with near equal weight distribution front and back. The Ariya's level floor and exceptional structural stability are made possible by the battery pack's simple design and incorporated crossmember in the battery box. Suspension components are tuned to take advantage of this, resulting in solid handling and a pleasant ride, while also keeping vibrations and noise out of the cabin space. The suspension package, comprising the multi-link system and rear electric motor, creates a remarkable mix of ride comfort, handling, and performance in the rear. Ariya's highly stable body structure and super responsive rack and pinion steering system can provide the vehicle with a sharp turn-in response. Even though it's near 50-50, front and rear weight distribution made possible by the battery located under the floor in the middle of the vehicle, it helps Ariya behave predictably through all types of corners. The Ariya reflects Nissan's idea of building intuitive and thrilling vehicles for the driver. This involves outfitting it with the most up-to-date technology, such as a new human-machine interface and over-the-air software upgrades. To manage in-vehicle assistance without taking the driver's eyes off the road, Nissan's intelligent personal assistance technology combines a hybrid speech recognition system with superior natural language understanding technology. Customers may also use Amazon Alexa to help them simplify and manage their life. Alexa can use voice commands to play music, make calls, listen to audiobooks, operate smart home devices, and much more. Both technologies work together to create a smooth, personalized user experience, whether on a daily commute or a weekend excursion. Ariya also comes equipped with wireless Apple CarPlay and wired Android Auto (TM), allowing drivers to connect their smartphones to their driving experience easily. Along a single horizon, the connection display interface includes a 12.3-inch instrument monitor with a 12.3-inch center display. Information may be easily processed by showing numerous aspects of information on one horizontal plane. The two displays are positioned in a wave-like style to make it easy to access and scroll through the vehicle information, such as battery status, range, and navigation with a single swipe. Swiping between the displays allows you to adjust and prioritize the information presented right behind the steering wheel for an unrivaled personalized experience. The Ariya's head-up display has one of the biggest full-color screens in its class. The Nissan Ariya crossover brings in a new age for electric cars, offering a compelling and smooth ride owing to the full force of Nissan's intelligent mobility given by the most advanced assistance systems designed to help, respond, and respect the driver's objectives. A sleek, beautiful, seamless design, influenced by timeless Japanese futurism, provides all inhabitants with a warm, personalized experience that aims to exceed expectations. Ariya deliveries will start this fall, starting with front-wheel drive versions and progressing to all-wheel drive models in late fall at more than 890 chosen Nissan U.S. dealers. Comment down below if you are excited about this beast. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel for similar content in the future. Thanks for watching.